People living at a Denver boarding home are getting more time to find a new place.
Well, we told you last week about residents at the Clarkson Lodge in the Capitol Hill neighborhood. They were told they would have to move out by this coming Monday because the owner sold the building.
As Contact Denver 7 CB Cotton explains, a group has stepped in to help after seeing our story.
Tenants find shelter and a place to rest their head at the Clarkson Lodge, but the chill of winter is always at the doorstep.
I work every day. I literally got to wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning to go to work. So I work every day.
And just last week, many tenants feared the cold of the outdoors would become their next home.
We didn't know what was going to happen.
Last Monday, Michael Boyd and other residents at the Denver boarding house told us they were scrambling to find a place to stay. Notices announced the building had been sold and they'd have to be out by March 14th. Now, a little more than a week later, there's renewed hope in the form of an extension.
It's somewhat of a weight off of my shoulder, just by having that little bit of more time.
Just days after Denver 7 reported on tenants' concerns, the nonprofit Colorado Poverty Law Project stepped in.
This was a hugely challenging situation. There was a lot of uncertainty, a lot of fear, a lot of just not knowing what the next day would bring.
The nonprofit's lawyers aim to prevent homelessness through legal services, education, and advocacy. The group says the initial notice given to Clarkson Lodge residents violated both state law and Denver municipal code.
We had to send a letter threatening to file a lawsuit seeking a restraining order because the notice did not provide adequate time.
And now?
The deadline now has moved from March 14th to April 30th, so an additional 6 weeks.
The nonprofit's next steps, helping tenants find a new place to stay.
We're reaching out to a bunch of service providers in Denver to see what sorts of available resources they have at their disposal right now.
But they also hope to meet individual needs of those at the Clarkson Lodge.
That's what the critical component to this piece is these are human beings who are being displaced from their homes, and each one has a different set of circumstances that we're really trying to address individually.
They really do care. They really do. They're really paying attention to us, and they're really actually coming through.
People came to this boarding house for shelter, and Michael Boyd says they'll soon find a new place to stay with dignity. In addition to this extension, attorneys at the Colorado Poverty Law Project tell us there will also be some incentive payments for some tenants who choose to move out early. Now, we've got a link to all the services they provide over on our website, thedenverchannel.com. In Denver, I'm CB Cotton, Denver 7.
And if you have a story you would like our Contact Denver 7 team to look into, it would be our pleasure to do so. You can reach us by calling that number there on the screen or send us an email to contact7@thedenverchannel.com.